As today we'll talk about how can you disable mirror on your app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click on settings here, just click on it. You come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then here you come here to mirror. So you click here on off. So then here can you disable here mirror on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.